Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Some of you might be getting tired of this, and I did not practice this. I did not normally have an example. I'm going to set a circle like right there, and then I'm going to Control D and duplicate it, Alternate C, and see what it looks like at 2.5 degrees. Because I've got enough overlap is what I wanted to say. And it also put it right on my mark because the lines are at 2.5. Control D, Alternate C, a negative 2.5. I can actually take away, I'm going to set my nudge factor pretty high, like 10 inches, and I'm going to get rid of these. Now, this one's in the center of the page. Take them all and turn them something other than a hairline. Oh, that's way too thick. Okay. Go up to Object, convert the outlines to an object, left click, right click. So one of them is going to be blue, one of them is going to be red, and they're going to be interlocking. So you just need to think about some things. We're going to make this one blue. These two parts have to be blue. And then we want one of these blue. It doesn't really matter which one. So this is going over, this one's going to go under. We're going to change it to red. This has to be 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 red. And because, well, that's going over it. I thought I had blue there. How did that happen? Yeah, there we go. So this is going underneath. This is going to go over. So if that one's going under, this one wants to go under or over. We're actually going to leave that open to incorporate the next one. So I'm going to get my ring. I did not group them, and I wish I would have. So I'm going to take my lines away. I'm going to Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, Alternate C to rotate from the center, and rotate it 5 degrees. Look at that. Red is under, under, Control D. And hopefully when it comes back around, I'm controlling D. Hopefully when it comes back around, come on, baby. Well, it stopped. This would be a good one to use. So we need 60 degrees. At least we'll see it stop working. Now, I'm way too big. And I might have gone too far, so I want to back. Look, I'm all the way over there. This would be a good one to use the transformation docker. And go until it has an open spot. And then go one more forward. So if we look, the red is going underneath and over, underneath and over. The blue, same. So you've got an interlocking rings of different colors. And it wasn't very hard if you just have to think about, leaving that last, and you don't have to hit your calculator. My calculator is right by my delete key. That's pretty cool. If I had it to do over, I'd make the thing smaller and bigger rings so it'd show off more. But that's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.